Hey, this is Openbox with another review, and this time it's Asus Vivobook 15. It is a very ultra lightweight with a very ultra slim bezel, and it is a 1.6 kg laptop. So this is the paperwork of the laptop. This is just as usual what you expect to get with a laptop. It is a AMD quad-core R5 3500U processor. So this is the very small and lightweight charger. It's a UK adapter. So the keyboard is a UK layout for me right now, and it's very easy to use and it's quite strong. So the power button is just right there, and there you go. It's a very quick startup. It's a Radeon Vega graphics card. It also comes with an ego lift hinge, which lets the air get under the laptop. It comes with a USB Type-C port, a USB 2.0 USB, and a USB 3.1 gen, and another USB 2.0. It comes with an HDMI cable, a micro SD reader, and it has an up to 7 hours of battery life. It comes with also 8 gigs of RAM, and it's 15.6 inch screen. It's very high definition display, which is a 1920 by 1080 pixels. It does not come with a disk drive, however, it does come with a lot of other features.